Good morning, this is Andy with Great Escapes RV in Stratford, Missouri. Going to take you through our 2022 Ambition 399TH. This is about 43 foot 6 inches nose to tail. Has a gross vehicle weight rating 21,000. A little bit shy of 17,000 as it sits. You can see here they do the full pane exterior to it. Legless Thule awning. This also comes with the 6-point automatic leveling system. Dual pane tinted windows. It's frameless tinted window as well. See the outside entertainment center, TV behind there. Outdoor speakers. Here's the garage entry. Again, that legless awning, ladder to the roof. Some vents for the garage area. The rear. This does have the patio system on it along with the 3-season room and a power awning above. Going to the off-door side, have the fuel system. First and foremost, 50 amp power cord that helps with the triple 15,000 BTU AC units on the roof. It's a power reel, so you don't have to handle the cord so much. Right over here is going to be the fuel fill and a fuel station. It's 60 gallons total fuel that this holds. It's broken down into a 40 gallon tank, and then one's a 20. On the axles they use disc brakes, and then the road Armour suspension. You can see the end walls on the slide are painted. And a tankless water heater, of course. And the water compartment. You see the filtration system. This does have a central vac to it as well. That's for the auto leveling system right there. Just hit a button. That will level off. Now, the heated enclosed underbelly on here, they do it a little bit different. This does have a cold air return as well as heat pads on the tanks themselves. It's prepped for a 5,500 watt Onan generator. Alright, let's take a walk on in. And here's the control panel. Everything's on a touch screen. Island kitchen, solid surface countertops, side-by-side refrigerator, convection oven, 4-burner cooktop along with the oven, fireplace. The fireplace has a heater in it. Also, one of the air conditioning units will have the heat pump as well, and one of the LG smart TVs. And the table, legless table, storage all the way above, theater seating. Into the garage where you'll see the Happy Jack system, bunk above. There's the 3-season doors along with the patio all folded up. Garage area TV. And we'll go into the half bath. Now, when you look at the Van Leys, one of the things with these is it's all hardwood cabinets, it's soft touch ceiling to it. They take a lot of what Tiffin did in the diesel coaches, and they integrate it into these fifth wheels. And the master bathroom, fiberglass shower enclosure. It's one piece. To the front bedroom, and it's a king bed, memory foam. Bedroom TV, and if you chose to put a washer dryer in, right there's location for it. Shoe closet, And the hanger above, shelf over that. I know you're going to have some questions for us. Please do reach out. You can catch us 417-512-7595. Thanks.